Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing a DIY project I did. So as usual, every Friday I do that. So this is what I'm reviewing today. So basically, if you guys remember, I did this some time back because it was really worn out and I needed it for college, right? So I did use a fabric paint on this. Basically, that was all I used on this. I used fabric paint. I attached this right on. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave a link in the description as to the original video, or put it up here as well, so that it will just be easy in case you want to watch that. So I'm reviewing it because I've used it for a little while. Not for a little while, I used it throughout last semester. So it started breaking right here, and it's really tired because I've had this bag for a long time. So but I wanted to review it anyway. I only use fabric, not fabric, glitter paint. So but I'll advise to use powdered glitter as well as fabric glue. Like most of my glitter videos, like I've done a lot of glitter videos on that where I use fabric glue as well as powdered glitter. So you can opt for that instead, because fabric glitter paint tends to be stiff, like dry, so it's good to use on shoes and things that you don't really clean or won't break. So yeah, so I feel like it contributed to hair breaking, and down here is actually quite alright. But if you want it less stiff, it's better to use fabric glue and powdered glitter. So check all my videos on, or some of my videos on that, where I use glitter. So yeah, that's it for this bag. So it's quite alright down here, but here it started breaking more. At the back is much worn out. Alright, so that was all I did. And if you want to replicate this design, just use fabric glue as well as glitter powder. So I'll see you guys on Monday, because I have another DIY video on Monday as usual, and I'll see you guys there. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and comment and share, do all of those things. All right, so I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.